What's up, guys? We're here. Take the truck to get dropped. We're putting a 5.7 kit on it. My boy Camilo over here will be doing it. This is the kit, IHC. Yeah, right now the truck's on a 2.4 drop. Then it'll be on a 5.7 drop. We're gonna see if Camilo can get some videos of him installing it, so we throw it in. But yeah, this is the before. Then once it's done, we'll show you the after.
What's going on, guys? It's been a little while. We've been working a lot, and a lot of things have been coming up. But update on both of the trucks. The OG, they're actually a rolling shell right now. So those that didn't know, I actually blew the motor the day I went to Sick Truck events. And you know, shit happens, you know, when you do the shit that I do. I've got everything taken apart right now, so everything's just kind of back here. There's the old trans. So just to give you guys on what's going on, so we ended up going with a rebuilt trans. We ended up rebuilding the stall that I had as well, just because, you know, I didn't want any metal shavings or anything like that in there. And a couple weeks ago we had a motor for this thing, and we were gonna have it ready maybe about 2 weeks ago. But the motor that I got for it, it was a used short block. It was actually messed up, so I had to return it, and it took forever to get my money back. So I ended up deciding, you know, let's just rebuild the whole thing. It's already the third motor I blew on this thing, so let's just try a rebuilt motor this time. But yeah, she is a rolling shell right now, guys. Yes, sir. Shout out to Kay. Dude got this thing as a rolling shell in, like, I want to say a day. But those that didn't know, I did actually end up picking up another truck. It's a 2017 Ram that you guys seen in another clip. Shout out to my boy Charlie for taking it for me. But yeah, guys, so we did pick up a new truck. Got it for a super sweet deal. I wasn't even looking for a truck, honestly. I was just kind of snooping around OfferUp just to find a motor. Maybe I was planning on doing a 6.4 swap, but Kay ended up just telling me just do the 5.7 again, so we're gonna do that. But yeah, and then we ended up just finding the other Ram, and my wife told me let's go look at it, and sure enough, we brought it home the same day. It was a quick process. It was a really good deal. We'll be showing that, the in-depth, once we get it today, hopefully. Camilo has it ready. Yeah, one thing as well, I don't know why, I think it's because it's just in, you know, sitting, but I've been wanting to sell this thing. A lot of y'all have been telling me not to, because, you know, it says Drew all over it apparently. But I don't know, I've been wanting to get like a 4-door, just so I can have my daughter and my wife come with me whenever we go to like meets or shows or anything like that. I mean, we could still do it, but we would have to take 2 cars. You know, I have to take my truck, and she would have to take our daily. But yeah, guys, so hopefully soon we'll have it running. I'm actually going to be working a lot, so probably going to be having Charlie take over the vlog for a couple weeks or maybe a month, who knows, just to get footage for you guys. But when we take it to the shop and all that, most likely it's going to be Charlie, so you'll be seeing Charlie in the vlog a lot. What's going on, guys? We just got the truck back from Camilo shop. Shout out to Camilo. HD Wheels and Tires. If you guys need anything, hit them up. But this is a new Ram. This is the one I was talking about. We bought the race stars about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, so we ended up going with the 5.7 drop kit. We cut the back to an 8. Not liking the way it's riding right now. It's kind of hitting. But yeah, it's all stock right now. Show you guys the interior. So yeah, it's a Sport. The person that had it before me did the upholstery on it. Did that. The Hell Yeah Brother skulls. Ooh, Shelby truck. Yeah, so when we got the truck, it came with some skulls right here. Top. Not really my thing. So I ended up just wrapping it black. Kind of going over. Later on, it will get painted, or we might do. I want to do the Diablo hood on it. So let's see what's up. We also did the tint. We did 5% on the doors and the back window, and then 20% ceramic on the front. Pretty much it. Size of motor is pretty stock. Only came with a quarter intake, that was it. I'm just kidding, guys. Came with a 2.3 Whipple. Have all the paperwork for it. Whoever did it right. Came with ceramic shorties as well, and it's just like on a little bass tune. I already bought some lump tube headers for it, some JVAs, so we'll be putting those on in another video. But yeah, that's pretty much the update for now. This is the truck. Hope you guys like it. We got some big things for this thing.